Hi guys! In today's video, we'll be doing this Chica inspired FNAF doll. I imagined her as a cute waitress, so I hope you enjoy my take on the character. Since there aren't that many yellow dolls, I was kind of limited in my selection, but I went with this Dania Treasura Jones doll. As always, I start by removing the original hair and face. Give the face a wash, prime it with the Mr. Super Clear spray, and then get out your watercolor pencils and chalk pastels for the repaint. This doll was kinda interesting to work on since her face was a bit transparent, so the colors kinda shifted once they were set with the spray, but I just kept working in layers until I got the colors that I wanted. For her eyes, again like the previous ones in this series, I went for the kinda half closed eye to make up kinda cute but still sort of villainous. To remove the natural shimmer of the face and also the transparency, I went over the entire face using some yellow chalk pastel to make it more opaque. In the second layer, I went over everything that I did in the first layer to deepen the colors. I shaded the face with a bit of brown pastel, used a bit of pink on the cheeks and a white for highlights. To get a more opaque black color, I used the watercolor effect of my black pencil. Finally, you want to add the highlights of the eyes and any final blushing. After sealing the doll a final time, we can start gluing on hair. I'll be using this strawberry blonde viscose hair, gluing it on in layers and cutting them in between. Once I added all the hair, I glued on some lashes and glazed the eyes. Since the doll came with a painted on top, I decided to make a cute pair of shorts and an apron. Starting with the shorts, I used the Kichen film and tape method to make my pattern. Cut out your pieces and then start by sewing the pleats in the back. Now press the front and back together and sew the side seams. Then place the two sets right sides together and sew along the curves. Turn the pieces over and then sew the crotch part. Then turn them right sides out and fit them on the doll. Now you can close up the back using a piece of Velcro and hem the top edge. And then the shorts are done. For the apron, I made a pattern like this and cut it out from some white fabric. Hem the outer edges before sewing the two together. Then I used a few shades of acrylic paint to paint on the design. Then for the straps and tie, I used some ribbon. To complete the outfit, I added a pair of orange shoes. For the cupcake, I used some Polymer clay and a really old cupcake base mold I made many years ago, putting the clay into it and then baking it in there. Then I added some pink clay on top. Finally, I painted a toothpick to be a straw, and then we can put it all together. So here's our finished Chica doll. So out of the old animatronics, we only have Barney left. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in a new one real soon. Bye!